Welcome back. It's not quite on yet. When I looked at it top down, I was able to just pop it right in. Sometimes it's all about perspective. Change perspective and things pop right in place. Okay, those are hand tight right now. We're just going to calibrate them. Yeah. Again, just want to come out. But I don't want to break them. It's steel in the cast. Fantastic! There we go! Hooray! The Yuki's working with a brand new chain. Let's take it out with our new cam and a new chain. Thanks for watching. I know this was a long one, but it's a great finish. Great finish. Great finish. So, there we go. Brand new chain on there. More clankety lanking to make the videos much more quiet. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!